Good day everyone, we are the reporters of Group 1. I am Mike Vincent Efron
And I am Calvin Kenneth D. Luma.
and we will discuss about star topology.
Star topology. What it is? A network configuration where all devices, computers, printers, etc. connect to a central node, typically a hub, switch, or router. This central device acts as a hub for data transmission, with each device having its own dedicated cable to the center. K-threads. If one device or cable fails, other keep working until the whole connection is affected. Easy to add or remove devices without disrupting the network. Central node failure brings the whole network down. Busy computer components. Here are the 4 parts and the rules.
Sa monitor, output device that displays text, image, and video acts as a screen to interact with the computer. And this is a keyboard. Input device used to text, types, enter commands, and navigate. As keys for letters, numbers, symbols, and function control.
So this is the system unit. The main box of the computer that houses internal hardware.
In star topology, there are advantages and disadvantages. And first, we gonna talk about the advantages of star topology. High fault tolerance for individual devices cables. Only the fault connection is affected. And adding removing devices is simple without disrupting the network. And there are the disadvantages. The network fails if the central node, hub, switch, or router malfunctions. It also requires more cabling than some topologies, increasing setup cost.